This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I told you already, only this batch, it is the highest batch in my career. So, if you are collectively having problems, we planned on something like 25th or 26th, 1 day, 1 hour. Okay, if it is really required, one more 1 hour I will schedule. Okay, because only for this batch. Usually, I'm not providing any kind of like this because I'm interested a lot in this batch because it is a very big batch in my life. Okay, so I will schedule. If you are like posting in the 8 a.m. in this group only, try to post as many as questions whatever you have. Okay, at least 1 day 2 days I will schedule based on my availability. I will verify. Okay, so it may be short notice, maybe suppose you have posted so many doubts in the group. Okay, then maybe a Friday or something, Thursday or Friday, I will let you know, like by Saturday or Sunday, will coming Saturday, Sunday will discuss. That should be posted in whatever the group you are doing following now, whatever the group you are joining, but not Ek Satya. Don't discuss on Ek Satya because this is only for you. Once it is sessions are over, it is Ek Satya only. In Ek Satya or Telegram only, you are going to discuss a lot. Okay, so this group, only this group I'm very much interested, I'm telling you already, because it is a very big batch. I want more students should be placed. That is my uh, my target or my goal. Okay, if it is a big batch, more students I'm expecting to placed, then only I will be happy. Okay, so we'll have session, but if you ask me in the 8 a.m. batch, you need to ask me the questions. Suppose you have asked one question, then in the next time you have one more question, then paste two questions together, one question and two questions, and one more you have asked, then paste three questions together. Okay, so that all collectively we have, and we'll try to I will try to provide the session. Okay, and that I cannot plan in 1 week, say month before. I can plan 2 days before only. Means on Thursday or Friday I will let you know, I will ping in the group. Okay, you need to follow and you need to join. Okay, so please don't discuss in the other groups, because if I started like this, every batch will ask me to schedule a timings. Okay, fine. Now, to be frankly, like a management reporter, I'm not able to show properly. I'm not able to show properly, but let me explain you. But I will show you. It is very easy. It is very user friendly management reporter. Let me show you. General ledger, collapse all, inquiries and reports, financial reports. Okay, this is reports. Actually, the history I'm just telling you. I'm sorry. So in AX 2009, at that time, if you want reports, financial reports, it is a hectic job. It is a hectic job. There is a traditional reports, some traditional reports to like setups are there. That is very complex. Frankly speak, very complex. Means suppose you have designed, you need to design report 1, 2 like this, 20 steps you have designed. Now there is a issue at 5. I need to correct it 5. Then what I have to do? I have to remove 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, up to 5 I need to delete. Then I need to recreate. That is a challenge in AX 2009. The existing reports, a traditional report, like if you want to generate balance sheet, if you want to generate like income statement, like P&L and balance sheet, you need to design. That design is very complex. It may take 2 hours time, it may take 1 hour time, it may take 4 hours time. Hectic job. I worked in AX 2009. During 2009 and 2010, 2011, I worked in AX 2009 only. I struggled a lot. It's complex. At that time, third-party application was developed by one company called FRX. FRX is a one tool, a company developed a reporting tool. Okay, then in AX 2012, the same report is followed, whatever it is there in AX 2009, traditional old report format, it is followed. The same here. But in AX 2012 R2, Microsoft purchased this application, acquired. Purchased or acquired, there is a difference. Acquired means employees also become to Microsoft. Purchased means only product purchased. I don't know whether it is a purchased or acquired, whatever it may be. It was merged here. It is called management reporter. At that time, whatever it is there, some the format, like something format, the old format design, that was, it is available in the system, but it was making as a configuration and it was disabled in the configurations. If you really want, you can enable, that is disabled by Microsoft. And this is merged in AX 2012 R2. If it is R1 or RTM previous versions or earlier versions, then it is a add-on tool. Microsoft purchased, but it was merged here in AX 2012 R2, and then it was continued in AX 2012 R3. Same. Later in D365, Microsoft renamed as this one as financial report. That's it. Management reporter, earlier it is FRX. Later Microsoft, whenever it was purchased, it is report management reporter. Now it is financial reporter. The same thing here. If you click on edit, it will open the form. Okay, but it is not done. 1 second. It's blocking. Okay, let me try. Actually, I tried earlier, but it is not working. But let me try. If it is working, fine. Application can't be started. Contact means it was not configured in the system. Is it because performance issues? The application, if it is loaded, it is getting performance problems. That is the reason it was not incorporated. Then what is the explanation from you? This is your question. Okay. Ultimately, we need to understand management reporter. So what I have to do? Then one small thing. Okay. I'm not explaining. YouTube is explaining. Because this is looks like Excel. If you type management reporter, you will find plenty of explanations. It is very, very easy application. Very, very easy. Okay, you can choose anyone, no problem. Even in AX 2012, it is AX 2012 or D365 is same, the same. Okay, so here in this, anything you can take. One second. So it is FRX, Negative Risk Management Report. One second, I will explain you for you. Just I want to show you somewhere else from it, how it is coming. See here, one is report definition, another one is column definition. It is equal to Excel file. It is equal to Excel file. One is row definition, one is column definition. So it is explaining. See, in the row definition, you need to mention one by one main accounts. Here we are mentioning. Here is main accounts. Okay, here you are mentioning the main account, from account and to account. So main account on financial dimensions, and then categories, main account categories. Those things only we can map it. So this is design. So this is row definition. This is row definition. Very simple. It is looks like Excel. It is Excel only, indirectly Excel. Okay. Next, once it is done, this is row definition. Once it is defined, then you will define column definition. Let me complete this one. So this is a column definition. So by looking into these screens, you can understand easily column definitions. Self-explanatory. It is very simple. Next one is row definition, column definition, report definition also there. Means tree structure if you want, then it is report definition. Otherwise, row definition and column definition is enough. Tree definition, row definition, column definition. Actually, tree definition also available. Tree definition also can be mapped. Tree definition is like if you want to combine two legal entities, three legal entities, then it is mandatory. You need to use tree definitions. Understood? So it is everything. If you click on there, it will explain you clearly. So you need to map row definition and column definition. Here you need to configure row definition and column definition. Tree definition is not mandatory. If you want, you can map it. Otherwise, you can skip. Then you can click OK. This is a tree definition. Okay, whether I need to go through this same video? No, any video it is fine. It is very user friendly, very user friendly. You can practice. Then automatically will generate. Here report generation is possible. It will generate. Now if you want to generate report, suppose actual versus budget, or suppose balance sheet default, I'm selecting generate. It will generate through batch job. It is executing. It will ask you to continue your work. It will take some time. The financial report will be generated while you continue work. Okay, it is processing. Once it is generated, it will show you here in the reports. Just give me a minute. Okay, if you refresh, it will show you. The end result I'm showing you. Report is generating, but how to configure means, as I told you, it is a limitation. But if I will verify something else, it is possible. Let me regenerate. Let me open once again. Sorry, not trial balance. Financial reports. Okay, it is generated. Now, if you click on view, it will generate a report. Okay. Current assets, securities, total accounts receivable, all. Whether you want to bold, whether you want totals, everything is available. Okay. If you click on here, the values, it will go to the filter. If you click on here, it will go inside. If you click on this one, it will go to the voucher. Drill down is possible. Understood? On one screen, it is another screen is opening. Got my point? That is called drill down. So in the earlier reports, like whatever I have explained, I mean to say in AX 2009, it is not that much flexible. It is very complex, very, very complex. So to generate report format, it will take so many hours. But this is, you can design and you can keep it whenever you want, you can modify at any point of time. It is simple. Modification is also very simple. Understood? So the same manner income statement you can generate. Not only income statement and balance sheet, in old function you can generate only income statement and like balance sheet only. But here any reports you can generate, any combinations like actual versus budget, like this you can generate any reports. Understood? Okay, only one complexity I'm not able to show properly with the environment. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see once again one more option I will verify. It will, whether it is working or not, I'm not sure. Like demo version, we have trial versions, am I right? In the morning itself, I will open the demo version. If it is opening that version, then I will try to show you explanation. If not, we don't have any alternative. Okay, you need to practice whenever you are getting opportunity. But it's not a complex. Only one thing you don't know. That's it. That is the main problem. The problem is don't know. That's it. But it is easy. If it is latest, it will be like if it is latest, you will find I mean to say a little bit bigger screen. That's what it is. You can go any report, management reporters, it will explain you. Okay, this is about management reporter. I know you are not much happy with the explanation. I can understand from your point of view, but we don't have the problem. Even in your system also it will not work. Is product limitation, taxes. Fine. Let me go back. Tomorrow I will see, is there any possibility like in the trial version, we have 2 hours trial version. We'll try to open at say exactly 8 a.m. and it will take 5-10 minutes time. And if it is working, fine. Otherwise, I can't do anything. Maybe may not be working. Okay, fine. Next, let me go here. Any questions? Any questions? Let me explain you data management framework. Okay, so this also not sure like this one. These two are We'll try once again tomorrow. If possible, we'll try once again tomorrow in the trial versions. If it is working, fine. This workflow also. These three we'll try once again tomorrow in I mean to say in that trial version, because for these all three it is a extra add-ins kind of thing. Okay, data management framework, it will work in my system most probably. Let me show you. So here data management means workspaces data management. Okay, one second. Parameters, framework parameters. Remember, in this you need to click on refresh entity list. This you need to do it, otherwise it will not show entities. Okay, what I did, look at this one. I'm showing you once again. In the workspaces, go to workspaces, go to data management. It is called DMF, data management framework, and like framework parameters, entity settings. Click on this refresh entity list. If it is already running, it will tell you like it is already running. So this is a prerequisite you need to run. Once it is executed, now let me delete all these things. One is export, one is import. Suppose I'm exporting my chart of accounts. Take the example COA and 07 June 22. Just I have created for understanding purpose. Anything is fine, no issues. And we want export. Okay, first export. Click on entity. Now you need to select main accounts. Otherwise chart of accounts. Okay, as I told you, it is taking some time. Because the default whatever it is there, it should be loaded. Okay, it is taking some time. I can't do anything. I need to wait for some time because the batch job is running. Just only 1 minute or 2 minutes, not more than that. Not click here, this icon, this will become small. Just give me a minute, 1 or 2 minutes. data management is called DMF shortcut, data management framework. Otherwise, let me delete and let me recreate. POA 07 June 23. Click on entity. Still, it is not working. It will become smaller. One second. Let me verify one more. Data entities. Templates. Load default templates. Load on. This also will take some time. This is MB300. Okay, MB300 will be there. It is generated something. This also it will take some time, no problem. Those two areas. Now let me verify. Let me click here. Still it is progressing. Not yet. These are the templates it is creating. So it will take 2-3 minutes time or 5. This is, it will take 5 minutes, 10 minutes time. Should come now at least. It should be more. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll discuss. It may take another 2-3 minutes time. Okay, I don't know. Now, I think Satish only asked IFRS. Yes, okay. For this, like I told you yesterday, asset leasing. Yes. Let me verify asset leasing module is added here or not in the feature management. Yes, this module. Asset leasing, I'm enabling here. This is a new module introduced by Microsoft. Now, if you verify, refresh, now look at this one. Asset leasing is another module. In this, we have some reports related to IFRS. Understood, Satish? Satish, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, fine. So here in this, it is exactly if you are asking about IFRS and India GAAP or India like US GAAP, so those by default it is not there. By default it is not there. But in the system, the asset leasing we have options. ASC, US GAAP, and IFRS. Okay. So if you don't mind, can you give me some more inputs about what is this IFRS and US GAAP, so that I will, whatever it is there in the system, I will correlate what exactly it is.
How the treatment of should be done.
What treatment? It
Basically,
was
here it
broken.
is. Hello.
Yeah, voice is broken a lot. Satish.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Just a minute, sir. I think
Yeah.
let me come into like another environment. Now it's audible, sir.
Yes, yes, it is fine.
Yeah. So basically, these are accounting standards, sir. They prescribe
Yeah.
like how the accounting treatment should be done.
Okay. What
Now
do you
this
mean by?
IFRS
Yeah, yeah. Proceed, proceed. Yeah, proceed.
IFRS 16 is on property, plant, and equipment.
Okay.
So like
Ah,
how the depreciation should be provided and all like it will prescribe. Basically,
okay.
there are around 40 accounting standards.
Okay, fine. Then it is the same, whatever you are expecting, it is available. This
So
is,
it is only one standard, sir. It is only one standard. Basically, now we have something called segment reporting and other things. Basically, it will prescribe as to what should be disclosure should come. So
hmm.
whether the system will also generates the financial statements was why my query. But it seems like again we have to take the data and map it to respective reports.
So here, this thing is actually leasing. If you are taking asset leasing, okay, if you are taking asset leasing, definitely then that asset will be depreciated, okay, and the value of the fixed asset also will be decreased. So this asset leasing is inside, means you have taken an asset from the outside persons, third party, suppose laptops. So like suppose take the example, Accenture, they are taking laptops from outsourcing outside, and they are not purchasing, they are taking outsourcing and they are keeping with them, and they need to pay amount periodically. The depreciation will be calculated, and the interest also, I mean to say, the value of the fixed asset is depreciated, and you need to pay the lease amount. So for that, there is international IFRS and these calculations, ASC 842 and IFRS. These are available. So if you are looking that one, it is available by default. This is for asset only. Consequently, it will impact trial balance because this will be impacted to the ledger accounts related to fixed assets. Okay, here whenever you are creating lease, you can create lease.
Sir, so a lot of features are there, but unless we know how to use it, it will be a difficult challenge for us.
Yeah, so this one, if you explore this asset leasing, then you can understand easily. It's not a complex. It's not a complex. So it is linked with fixed asset, and you need to enter the what is the value of fixed asset, and what is the incremental borrowing rate, interest rate, and how long it is, 24 months. So if you map it automatically, yeah. Yes, please.
It is all about leases, sir. It seems they are classifying operating lease, finance lease, something like that.
Yeah, exactly. Only leasing. Only leasing. If it is, if you are looking for IFRS and US GAAP, whatever you are looking, that is linked to only a leasing concept, it is available. Apart from this one, any other one? Do you have any other one? I want to understand, theoretical at least. These gaps, whatever it is, the US GAAP and India GAAP or IFRS. Apart from this one, anything else?
IFRS 15 also is there, sir.
IFRS 15 is
Revenue
not
from
there.
customers with
No, it is not
revenue
there.
from
Sir, there are many IFRS, there almost 40 accounting standards are there.
Okay.
So I don't think that should be discussed here.
So that's what actually only two by default available. One is ASC 842, another one is IFRS 16. These two are available by default. Got it? Here the framework. Okay, it is two more also there. One is IFRS 16, ASC 842, ASC 840, IAS 17. These are the four options. It is enums, you cannot create. IFRS 16, ASC 842, cash basis, ASC 840, and then IAS 70. This asset leasing is input asset, means you are taking asset inside. If you are giving asset outside, it is not there. Means example like suppose my company is in India, I'm providing cranes for rental or procliners for rental purpose. Then I'm getting revenue through that one. That is not there. Lease revenue is not there. Lease expenses is there. This is lease expenses. Okay. So the calculations and everything, it is there by default. This is, to be frankly, a third party, once again, third party add-on module, but it was acquired by Microsoft, was purchased by Microsoft, and it was incorporated. This is asset leasing. Okay. I don't have experience, but to be frankly, there is a calculation. If you enter automatically, the calculations will be shown here. Okay, the calculations, it will show here automatically. The summary of the calculations, how it is calculating, you can see here. In books, you can see asset depreciation schedule. See the calculation, how it works, I don't know. If anyone has some Excel file mathematics calculations, I'm very happy to learn. See, look at this one. Depreciation and accumulated depreciation, net book value. Got it?
Sir, I think now you should help us understanding about the job market and preparation of resume and how to face interviews and where can we explore the opportunities.
So that is not generalized. Okay, it is one-to-one based on your interest and based on your. So you can ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, Then whenever I have free time, definitely I will discuss with you. Okay, and the resume preparation is not my task, it is your task. It is not my task, resume preparation. But once it is prepared, and if you ask me to like verify one look, I can verify if it is any blunder mistakes or any corrections, I can get. But resume preparation is not in my scope. Okay, and for these things, you can ping me one-to-one. So whatever extent, what is, because this is person to person, it will be changed. Your requirements and your questions and everything, you can ping me and we'll discuss. But these 2 days, 3 days, I'm a little bit busy with some other works in office. Okay, so I will not be, I cannot respond. After like Saturday or something, you can ping me. Whenever I have free time, I will ping you and I will come. Okay, fine. So let me go back. I think it is ready now. Workspaces, data management framework. So let me go to export. Not this one. Already export is created. I think by this time it will be available. It is not coming. It will not take much time. This much time. 3 minutes, 5 minutes max to max. Give me a minute. Let me verify templates, whether these templates are created or not. Only 2. Still it is creating. It will take 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes max to max. Why it is showing? Let me verify chart of accounts is there or not. Still it is not loaded. This much time will not take usually. I don't know why it is taking this much. Okay, fine. Let me focus on this one. So, see, regarding this one, we have asset leasing module. From that, you can understand. Okay, from that, you can understand. Next one is, I want to understand about, I think SAP consultants also available. So, product receipt. Product receipt. In the system, see, in Dynamics, it will not post to directly inventory account. Look at this one. Dynamics application is, it is posting to temporary accounts at the time of product receipt. At the time of product receipt is posting, and once it is invoicing, this is reversing, and this is posting to directly. So at the time of suppose product receipt, material cost is 100 rupees and 20 rupees is the charges. It will post only 100 rupees material cost. It is reversed, the material, whatever it is received, it is inventory received, inventory received. It is reversed, debit and credit. Now inventory invoice will be updated, 150, so that it will be nullified. Whereas in SAP, my understanding, I'm not sure. In SAP, it is posting directly entry, am I right? Or now I want you to understand, you to speak, because you have experience. Anyone SAP consultant, how it will be in SAP at the time of product receipt and invoice. You have like 4 or 5 members are there, am I right? In SAP.
In SAP, there will be no reversal entry, sir. I mean, at the time of product receipt, we debit the inventory and we credit the GRIR account. And the moment we receive the IR entry, then that will get posted. So, in case of any deviation between GR and IR, that will get captured under PPV, sir. If
Oh,
it is
okay,
a
fine.
if it is an inventory PPV.
So at the time of if it is SAP, you are posting inventory account data to
GR account.
GRIR account.
Yes, GR. Inventory debit, GRIR credit. Yes.
GRIR.
This entry get posted as per my standard cost, whatever I maintain in SAP system. So sometimes what will happen, my actual cost also will get deviated. So for a product of A, I am maintaining standard cost in SAP system 100 rupees, but wherein I am doing actual purchase at a value of 120 rupees. So though we purchase in 120 rupees, we take the inventory impact at a value of 100 only. So the differential value between 100 and 120 will go into the PPV at the time of this GR booking.
So at the time of your invoice, at the time of invoice, you are debiting to GR account, GRIR account to debit and crediting to vendor account. So here you are not touching inventory, and if it is suppose 100, it is the material cost, and suppose transportation charges 20 rupees, and charges like taxes it is 10 rupees. Whether it will post all this amount?
Yes,
this is
yes, all these amounts will get posted. Yes.
Material plus charges plus taxes, all will be posted.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now
Because at the time of inventory costing, we input all these values, sir. I mean, in order to derive the standard cost of the product, we calculate the raw material and we calculate the overhead cost and we calculate the custom duty and other charges. Basis those charges, we decide the final cost of the product. So all these values will get included in the inventory at the time of invoicing, at the time of posting GR.
Okay, good. So now, if it is charges are modified, then you are posting to like PPV. What is that?
PPV. Purchase
PPV
price
means?
variance. Purchase price variance.
Okay, purchase price variance.
Hmm.
So this price variance is a asset, liability, or expense? It is expense.
It's a asset series. It's a asset series only, sir. We take both the impact. We take credit and debit impact. Sometimes what will happen, we maintain cost at 100 rupees, but in reality, we buy that material at 80 rupees. I mean, if it is a lesser price or higher price, actual price, then we take both credit and debit impact same to the asset GL account only. But we transfer this balance, PPV balance, on a proportionate basis to the P&L. I mean, we can't transfer everything directly to the P&L. On a monthly basis, we take the inventory turnover ratio. On basis of turnover ratio, we transfer partially to the P&L. For suppose your inventory is 100 rupees, sir, but your purchase invoice is 120 rupees. In this transaction, we have a difference of 20. That 20 I will take it into the PPV in this month. That 20 will get released into the P&L on a proportionate basis for the 3 months or 4 months period. I mean, which means I'll divide 20 by 4 months. Whatever the portion will come 5 rupees, that will get released on a monthly basis to the P&L.
But actually, in this case, suppose the charges landed cost. Okay, this item it is you are entering like 130 is the like only 120 rupees is the charge. Suppose material plus charges 120. Now the charges you have received 30. Then for vendor we are paying including charges. But for VPP you are posting actually like PPV you are posting to 10. Am I right? This is a difference account. This should be affected to the inventory. Am I right?
But we won't affect the inventory, sir, because our inventory will be stable as per the standard cost which we maintain in the system. But according to the actual fluctuation, the differential we consider into the P&L only. We won't capitalize that to the inventory. because our inventory will go as per the standard cost which we maintain in the system. I mean, if actual price is higher or lesser, we won't take that impact to inventory. We take that impact to PPV and then to the P&L.
Sir, they are
So
following
in asset,
standard costing, sir.
standard. Okay, okay.
As per, yeah, basically they are not using FIFO, LIFO, weighted average. They are using standard costing.
Only
So
standard
standard
costing.
costing, they will, irrespective of purchase price, they will calculate the standard cost, and any variations will be added to purchase price variance, and based on the ups and downs, it will be charged to P&Ls at period ends.
Understood. So, like, do we have FIFO and LIFO weighted average site?
No, sir, we don't have any FIFO, LIFO weighted average method.
Oh, okay. Then I
But
got
but
one method.
but at the time of
The,
outbounding, those materials will get released as per the batch dates, because it's a pharmaceutical company. So they release the outbound material as per the batch job. I mean, we create batch for each material, no sir. So as per the batch, they will take the outbound entries. Whenever they process the sales order, system captures the output order as per the batch. So whatever we maintain against to that material.
Okay, understood now. That is batch job. I understood. Like, I mean to say,
sir,
whenever you
that is
fill
not the
orders.
system systems thing. That is a company decision. Basically, the
Yeah, yeah.
company has decided that their inventory will be valued at standard cost.
Okay, I
But
understood.
company, there might be another pharmaceutical company following SAP, which might be using this weighted average or FIFO method.
Okay, now Seshu is pinging here. So Seshu, like you find like one is standard method, standard cost method, another one is weighted average, am I right? These two. Do you find any FIFO and LIFO also? Seshu, understand what
I
is
think
weighted average? Okay,
he has a
he's telling,
microphone issues, I think.
he's pinging in the chart. So he's telling like weighted average only. Means in SAP we have only weighted average and standard cost. These two methods we have. These two methods only. It is FIFO and LIFO is not there. But I'm not confirming. As per our knowledge, at this point, oh, okay, no other valuation methods. Clearly, he's telling. She is telling like it is clearly it is no value other valuations. Confirming. Then it is only two methods in SAP. Whereas in Dynamics we have like several methods. Of course, I agree with that one because this SAP is invented in 1972. It is in 1972, whereas Dynamics it is 1998. There is a almost 26 years gap. SAP is the oldest version. Oh, is it available, Seshu? Oh, okay, fine. So we based on our configuration, we need to map it. Okay, good, good. That means it is there. Understood. Okay, good, good. Fine. So in SAP also he's telling like it is there. So of course, Sai is an end user. I mean, it's a business user. So he used a lot in standard cost method only. Understood. Okay. So now the major difference, see in the major difference, if you are using standard cost method, this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. We don't have alternative. In SAP also this, in Dynamics also the same thing. But usually we'll use FIFO LIFO. If it is FIFO LIFO weighted average, it is not the case. This is the function. If it is a standard cost, the same method in SAP, in Dynamics also. In Dynamics also, it is the same method. Okay, fine. Now get clarity, and it is confirmed like we have all versions, like to say all options available in the system, but based on the setups. And Satish, so if you want, you can explore this one, asset leasing function. Asset leasing function you can explore, okay, so that you can understand. Okay, I cannot teach you on that one because I'm also not very much experienced in this asset leasing. But as I told you, asset leasing is only from inside, I mean to say you are receiving material asset inside, I mean to say to your company, then only it is there. Input, I mean to say inward asset leasing, outward asset leasing is not there by default in the system still. Okay, let me go back. Oh, it is completed now. The message came. Okay, it was taken so much time. I don't know why. Fine, now it will come. Let me show you quickly. So you will find chart of accounts now. See chart of accounts. Suppose Excel file. Click add. Chart of accounts I'm taking. Now export now. It is exporting. It is taking 1 minute time, not more than that. Give me a minute. Why it is taking this much time? It will take 2 minutes max to max. Okay, once it is exported, it will be saved in the download files. Once it is exported, we can import. So look at this one, chart of accounts. For sample example, I'm showing you general ledger, collapse all, chart of accounts, chart of accounts. So we have created new chart of accounts. It is 110150. Now it is, once it is imported, I will import some more accounts, 3-4 accounts. I don't know why it is taking this much time. It is usually it will not take this much time. Why? It is failed. If it is failed, the connections, if you want to verify, little bit tricky. We are not expertise in this area. Okay, we'll do one thing. This is the procedure. Tomorrow we'll see these 3 in the like trial versions. In the trial versions, we'll see all these 3, so that if it is we'll start by sharp 8 a.m. Then I will show you one by one. Okay, first one I will show you this one, and I will show you this one. later workflow I have shown. Once again, I will show you the trial versions. Most probably it will work. If it is not working, that's good. If it is not working, I can't do anything. 99% it will work. This one, there is no problem. Data management number. This I'm not sure. This I'm not sure. This I'm expecting, predicting it will work. Okay, I will recap. Okay, once it is done, Friday we'll discuss about item model group. Item model group also I have explained, but I want to recap little bit more insights about item model group. That's it. Okay, so I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning. Okay, before ending up, any questions, anyone? Before ending the sessions. Nothing? Okay, fine. See you all. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.